Drivers behind the line, and 3, 2, 1, go!
And away they go. Looks like we're once again seeing a 2v3 here for the Blue Alliance. They're down one robot. Robo Whales managed to score a piece of coral in. Also, they're heading over the human player. Oh, they've grabbed another one off the field floor. Very nice. Trying to score that now. Up in auto. That's 2 pieces of coral for the Red Alliance in auto. Meanwhile, the Blue Alliance have got 1 piece of coral into the trough in auto from the Robot Masters. They're going to be looking now to chase down that piece of algae and get it scored. Meanwhile, on the other side of the field, we've got the Techno Wolves seem to have a piece of coral in their robot. See if they can shake that one free so they can handle some other pieces of coral and try and get them scored. Robot Masters scoring that bit of algae into the processor now. Robo Whales putting another piece of coral up onto the top branches of the reef, making 4 total. They've scooped up another piece of coral from the ground. And their alliance partner, Static, also have a piece of coral, but they've managed to drop it into their own robot, unfortunately. Oh, they picked it right back up, ready to see where they want to score it. Techno Wolves have come over to the red side of the field looking to play some defense. The heist being prevented from getting access to the human player station, but they've managed to get a piece of coral anyway, scoring it then into the trough. We've got loads of action being scored up on the top level over the reef from the Red Alliance as Static and Robo Whales work together to try and fill that rung of the reef. Meanwhile, Robot Masters hoovering up all the algae they can find on the blue side of the field and scoring it into the processor. Then their human player can throw it up into the net. On the Red Alliance side, we've got Robo Whales grabbing another piece of coral off the ground. Static also getting into position, trying to fill that last piece over there. They're running out of space to put it, though. They're jostling for position as they try and decide who gets to put the piece of coral on which branch. Heist now, grabbing another piece of coral. They're going to try and score that into the trough. They managed to evade the defender. Techno Wolves in the Blue Alliance, trying to prevent them from getting access to the human player station. They've managed to get around them so far, though. Another piece of coral up top from the Robo Whales to the Red Alliance. Meanwhile, on the blue side of the field, we've got the Robot Masters. They're looking like they're trying to see if they can reach that piece of algae off of the reef and get it so they can score it. Doesn't look like they're quite able to get there, though, unfortunately. Hopefully more algae will become available for them. Robo Whales scoring another piece of coral onto the lower rungs of the reef now, as they've only got 1 slot or 2 slots perhaps remaining up there. We know what that buzzer means. We've got 15 seconds left. Robot Masters for the Blue Alliance and Techno Wolves both heading over to their parking spots. We've got 8 seconds left. Robo Whales going for a score perhaps instead. No, they've decided to park. Anyone able to get a climb? We've got 1 second remaining. Wins. Earning a score of 117 to Blue's 49. The Red Alliance earns 3 ranking points for winning, and the Blue Alliance earns 2 ranking points for leaving during auto.